This glucose syrup is prepared. Watch the video to the end. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be preparing glucose syrup or corn syrup, sugar syrup. So we just need 1 cup of sugar, half cup of water, lemon. We are going to use half of this. We also need a pinch of salt. So I will first add my water, 1 to 2 teaspoons of starch. Depending on the quantity you are preparing. Also dissolve this water. Maybe I'm sure this has been dissolved. Now put on the flame, medium heat. This will actually take 15 to 20 minutes. Add our sugar and dissolve it as quickly as possible. At this point, we will cut our lemon. We are using a small lemon. You can use 1. This is it. Just go ahead now and cut the lemon into 2 equal parts. And as well, just squeeze out the lemon. You can just put 1 or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Just put it in there, pinch of salt, thicken. How it is. So we are going to test it now to see if it is ready. Put water in a glass cup. Just trying to squeeze out a little lemon from it. Look, we are seeing it ready. So let's open it. So look at it. That it is getting ready. And just try to squeeze out some juice, lemon, some of the lemon juice in the, with your spatula, a few drops. Put it in a cold water. It forms a lump. You know it's ready. See, has formed. Look at it. Look at it. See, at this juncture we have to put off the flame. You scoop out the lemon, just bring out the lemon at this point and put off the flame and allow to cool. Allow it to cool. Your syrup is ready. How it is. Put lemon juice. This step may not be necessary. Just to put it through the sieve. Do this when it is still hot, so that it will not be too thick to pass through the sieve. Just because of, see, I have the seed here. Syrup in a container. Or in a cool place in an airtight container. This can serve many purposes. That is it. On that note, we've come to the end of today's video. Please, if you've not subscribed to our channel, click that red subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Give us a thumbs up if you like what we are doing. Thank you for watching to the end. Bye bye and God bless you.